got a doorbell?
We've got a doorbell, apparently.
Since when did we... Oh, we've got visitors. Ding, ding, and dong.
Hello, hello.
Welcome. G'day, Ding.
Good.
Some
Deliveries from Catch.
Oh, look at this. Oh.
Catch surprised us with a doorbell to start with. I didn't even know we had a doorbell, and it was ding dong.
Happy birthday.
Well, is this actually birthday presents? Or
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
What's in here?
I don't know. Did you order this? Or...
Yes.
Okay.
I'm pretending to not know.
Oh, yes.
But outside, there was this massive box and...
Big bow.
Is it actually a massage chair? It's orange.
It's his favourite colour.
Well, guess where I'll be for the next 24 hours.
To be honest, I'd forgotten it was my birthday. Like, I didn't even realise.
Thank you very much.
Give that bad boy a bit of a workout, that's for sure.
That's funny.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, after a long day and muscles are all tight.
I can sit in my tool shed in my massage chair.
How did you manage to organise a massage chair?
I have my ways of organising things. I don't have much spare time, but, you know, some things you just got to make happen. Yep.
True dat.
How good is this? Ah.